Welcome back, everyone. I'm News 10's Christina Orangio. We want to go back to Cap now for this week's Pet Connection Extra. Hi, Steve.
Thank you, Christina. We're all guilty of it. We feed our pets too much. We spoil them. As they gain weight, diabetes can often become a serious medical issue. Early detection is critical. Knowing the signs and symptoms can make treatment more successful.
It's just really one of the more common metabolic diseases that we see, and it has been common all throughout. Essentially, it's there's certainly, especially with cats, being a little bit overweight does predispose them to developing this.
There are different signs that your pet has diabetes.
There are really clearly defined symptoms that you look for. You'll see weight loss with an increase in appetite, or sometimes a decrease in appetite if it's later on in the disease. You'll see changes in thirst and urination. Those are the big ones. You'll see that they're really just can't get enough water, urinating really frequently. And sometimes as they get a little bit sicker with diabetes, they can become really lethargic as well.
What are the main causes of obesity in pets?
They all require the same treatment so far as injectable insulin. There's really no way to get around that. But it's actually, once you get used to it and you get into a routine with your dog or your cat, if you ask most people who treat a diabetic, they really find it's pretty easy. You do it around the time that they're eating, so they really hardly even notice that you're giving the injection. It's a very small needle, a small amount of solutions. They really don't typically notice too much.
What your pet eats is also important.
So diet is the mainstay of treatment along with insulin. WD is one that we commonly use for dogs. DM is one that we commonly use for cats. They're going to be low in carbohydrates. It really is going to be a specific formulation that minimizes the peak in the blood sugar.
Thanks, Dr. Lexi. If you see any of these symptoms or just not sure, see your veterinarian for a blood test. They can also show you just how easy it is to give your pet an injection. Back to you, Christina.
Thank you so much.